Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, your Stampin' Up demonstrator in Victoria, Australia. Welcome to day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas. I'm so happy that you're here. I hope you've been enjoying the previous little gifts that I've been creating, and I hope that you're looking forward to creating this one as well. Now I'm using some supplies here. We have the gold from the Simply Elegant trim, Moody Mauve in colour ribbon. I've got basic white thick cardstock, Moody Mauve ink. These are the adhesive back star trinkets. You can find them on page 15 of the Oh Holy Night suite. And we have the Merriest Trees bundle. They are page 12 of the mini catalogue. So here these are treat bags that I want to talk to you about. You can find them in the packaging section of the annual catalogue, page 126, 2023, 2025 in colour treat bags. There are 25 bags in all, and they're a great little deal. We're also using the silver and gold 12x12 adhesive back glimmer paper, just for a little bit of embellishment. That is an online exclusive, so you won't see them in the catalogue. Okay, so starting off, we have a piece of basic white thick cardstock. We're going to do a little bit of stamping of this great tree. Now, you can stamp the whole tree and then die cut from them. I'm actually going to want to layer them up, so I'm stamping the top 3, the top 2, and then the top 1. That we're going to use 3 of the dies in this set to die cut to form our big tree. So that's just one way of doing it that I really like. I hope that you're liking the colour. You know, I did a wild wheat project. We're doing Moody Mauve. You know, I like the in colours. I like to do very traditional Christmas things, and I like to do, you know, those funky ones that are a little bit different as well. So this Merriest Trees bundle, I'm going to die cut those 3 trees. Oh, I also stamped the little base of the tree in Moody Mauve. We're going to die cut all of these little pieces, as well as our large tag there, which was part of that bundle. Now, this is day 4, so don't forget you can download the project sheet for today's project. It has all the measurements, all the supplies that we're using. Now, if you would like to purchase any of the supplies, you can purchase them in my online store if you live in Australia. And anyone that purchases through me using the host code will receive some free gifts, which is always fantastic. This month in November, we have a card, a handmade card, and you can see that here on my YouTube channel. You'll also receive a bundle tutorial which has, I think, 54 projects in it, which is amazing. So you're going to get lots and lots of ideas for that. Okay, so we've die cut from our basic white pieces. We're also going to add this little die here, and it actually die cuts a whole heap. We're actually going to use the first 3, of course. So you can pop these away and do them, use them on something else. Or you could just use a smaller piece of your glimmer paper and make sure you just die cut those top 3 layers. Alrighty, so very simple project. We're going to get going on it now. Going to stamp the sentiment on the bottom of that tag in the Moody Mauve ink. Then we're going to layer our tree up with some dimensionals. And don't forget that little base of the tree. We're going to add that with a glue dot. Once we have this all layered together, I'm not sure whether I add the ribbon, the twine behind it, or whether we add our little, I think we add our embellishments. So a glue dot to add the base of the tree. Then we're going to try and peel off the backing of our glimmer paper. Now the first one, I don't know what happened, but if it didn't work, and I'd say I couldn't get that backing off, or it had already come off, and I tried to peel off a little bit more, I've just added a little bit of liquid glue, and you know, it sticks down just fine. But the other 2 come off, the backings come off super easy. Now this paper, this glimmer paper, goes a long way, so obviously you're not going to use like a huge bit. Well, you could, I suppose, but for me, I'm a little bit more frugal than that. I just like to use little bits to add accents and stuff like that. And with the adhesive backing, super great. You know, like it's a really time saver. So we're just layering our little lights on there. How pretty is the Moody Mauve and gold together? Absolutely gorgeous. And we're also going to take one of those adhesive backed star trinkets. These are really cute and a great way to add just that little bit of extra elegance to your project. So this bag, you could fit lots of different products inside. It is a food grade bag, but it holds, or it measures 4 3/4 by 7 inches, or 12.1 by 17.8 centimeters. So I'm just adding a little bit of that gold twine at the back. You know, you just want to, I've just created like a large bow that I'm going to pop down with some tear and tape. Now I apologize for my voice. We have like a huge high pollen count this week, all week, and it's playing funny buggers with hay fever. I've taken my hay fever tablet, but it's yeah, it's just such a high pollen rate at the moment. We've got farmers on their tractors, and you know, everything's just going spaz, and we've got lots of wind, so it really doesn't help. So I do apologise if I sound very nasally. So we have the medium mauve in colour ribbon. I'm just placing that through the tag, making nice edges there. And you know, you could use some more twine and create a little bow there. I've just brought in a stapler and stapled it. I think that looks good. You know, it'd be even better if they were gold staples, but they weren't. Anyway, and we're going to add our whole tag down with some dimensionals. So very, very quick and easy little gift. You know, there's so many different things that you could pop inside, but very inexpensive. You know, those treat bags there's 25 bags in the pack, so you can do all sorts of in colour treat bags. So I really hope that you've enjoyed today's project. This is day 4, so come back tomorrow for day 5. I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up, left a comment, shared the video, told your friends about the 12 days of Christmas. That would be fantastic as well. And yeah, if you haven't hit subscribe, please do that. Don't forget you can get that project sheet in the description of this video. And if you're in need of any of the supplies and you live in Australia, you can certainly do so in my online store. Alright everyone, see you for day 5. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.